And South Korea reported around 4,200 new cases of COVID-19 this morning, a sharp drop from last week's figures. Officials apparently see a meaningful decline over the last week. The number of severe cases, though, still near the all-time high. Seong-woo has the details.
South Korea recorded 4,207 new cases of COVID-19 on Monday, the daily tally dropping by more than 1,200 cases to enter the 4,000 range for the first time in 20 days. The number of severely ill patients, however, remains close to 1,100 at 1,078. The figure's been above the 1,000 mark for 7 days straight. And with 55 more deaths, the death toll now stands at 5,300. This comes as more cases of the Omicron variant are being discovered throughout the country. With 69 more cases found, a total of 445 people have been infected by the new strain, which is becoming more and more difficult for health authorities to track, with many cases coming from unidentified routes. Officials say, though, that the resurgence has overall now entered a downward trend.
The daily average number of new COVID-19 cases in the country over the past week is 6,101. That's an 11.1% drop from 2 weeks earlier. The weekly reproduction number currently sits at 0.98. It's the first time the value's gone below 1 in 8 weeks.
That explains the decision to lower the level of danger posed by COVID-19 from very high to just high in regions outside the capital area. Seoul and the surrounding area, as well as the nation as a whole, remain at very high. But Monday's drop in infections is raising hopes that the government on Friday may decide not to extend the tough social distancing guidelines currently in place, but rather shift back to the so-called gradual return to normal. Meanwhile, starting today, small business owners hit hard by the various antivirus curbs in place will start getting relief payments from the government, roughly $840 each, beginning with about 700,000 venues operating under restricted business hours. Seong-woo, Arirang News.